Hello everyone, today I want to talk about an amazing product that is changing lives and helping people achieve their weight loss goals. Slim Guard Fat Loss Supplement. Slim Guard is a powerful blend of all natural ingredients that work together to speed up your metabolism, increase energy levels, and burn fat efficiently. This incredible supplement is specially formulated to help you eliminate stubborn fat cells, leaving you with a toned and sculpted figure. One of the key ingredients in Slim Guard is green tea extract, which is well known for its fat-burning properties. It helps increase your body's metabolic rate, improve overall energy levels, and burn fat efficiently. Green tea also contains antioxidants that help protect your body from free radical damage. Another active ingredient in Slim Guard is caffeine, which is a natural stimulant that helps increase your energy levels and alertness. This is perfect for those mornings when you're feeling more groggy than usual or when you feel sluggish during the day. Slim Guard also contains a blend of essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, B6 and B12, which are essential for maintaining a healthy immune system and promoting overall health. In addition to these powerful ingredients, Slim Guard also contains a delicious raspberry flavor that makes using your supplements a fun and enjoyable experience. You can feel confident knowing you are getting an effective and tasteful fat loss supplement. So if you're ready to start your journey to a healthier and slimmer you, give Slim Guard a try. It's time to put the power of nature to work for you and achieve your weight loss goals. Remember, consistency is key, and with Slim Guard by your side, you'll be well on your way to a happier, healthier you.